मिलते हैं कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप यानी डायरेक्टर वेंकट प्रभु से। वेंकट ने दक्षिण भारतीय में कई सारे शोज, कई सारी फिल्में बनाए हैं, लेकिन लाइव टेलीकास्ट के साथ वो पहली बार एक साथ कई भाषाओं में ये वेब सीरीज लेकर आ रहे हैं।
And joining me now is the captain of the ship, Mr. Venkat. This project is totally his baby, and he's been working day and night, and his throat is gone. So, Mr. Venkat, it's like really a daunting task to make this in 3 languages at the same time. So, how stressed out are you?
You could probably realize from my voice now. This is not my actual voice. I have a better voice, I think. It's been very hectic and tiring, and because a lot of artists are involved. We're shooting the main crucial scenes of the series now. So it's very interesting. This is my first time doing a series after doing films. So it's very challenging as well to give an interesting plot in just in 30-35 minutes and give a it's like this. It's like giving an interval in every 30-35 minutes. Every episode you need to give an interval bang. Exactly. But it's quite interesting. It's a new genre. I've never tried this, so it's come out good, and it's quite interesting to work with because I worked with Kajal on my second film. That was she was like a newcomer. I think it was like the first. It was her first or second film in Tamil. I think I directed that film, and now directing her again after so many years. It's very nice. She's still the same person. And otherwise it's good. My technicians are like Rajesh Yadav, the DOP, art director Ritesh, editor Praveen, Premji, my brother, is the music director for the film, for the series. It's quite, it's as big as a film. It's actually even bigger than a film. You can see the crew size because normally they'll have a very small crew when it comes to series and stuff. But we nearly have around 200 people in the set. So it's quite a big crew, and I think this will be a very prestigious project for Hotstar as well as us.
You are mainly shooting in Tamil, but the film will be dubbed in various other languages. So that makes your job more difficult since you know that the audience will be pan-India, worldwide. So does that affects your vision as a director?
No, if I concentrate on that, I cannot write anything. But so this is a genre which anybody can relate to. It's about emotions, and we're giving it in a very horrific way. And it's the first horror I'm trying, a proper horror. I've never tried horror. My main genre is comedy. So as a brand, I don't know whether they call it a brand or not, but my genres of films which I've been doing. So I have a name among my set of audience where they and I haven't. I think I'm giving that piece of Venkat Prabhu to them, and I'm giving a new Venkat Prabhu to this platform actually. So I'm not concentrating. If I concentrate on, will I connect with the Telugu audience? Will I connect with the Hindi, Bengali, or Tamil, or the NRIs? I'm just connecting with people, just emotions. It's the same emotion everywhere. It's the father, daughter, father, son, brothers. It's everywhere. It's the same emotion. So when you connect with emotion, I think it will work. So that's what I've tried in this thing. But the humor and the action part will be as par with big movies. So I think people will be. I haven't. I've seen all the other Indian series. Which has been in other platforms and stuff, but I think it's very the screenplay format and everything is like very Hollywoodish. So whatever Hollywood make, the same screenplay pattern is being followed by our people to make series here. So this time I'm not following that. So I'm trying to give something very Indian in a very Indianized way. I'm not trying to go there. I'm not trying. The screenplay pattern will be very Indian, where even just not the city bred, even the people from deep villages or south, towns, and everybody can relate to this kind of a series. It is not just for the city bred people. It is for everybody to relate. So I'm not following that the usual screenplay pattern, which normally people use for series. This is more filmy, I think. I think so. I don't know. Only after the output I can probably be more sure about the whole thing.
So after successful now your films, now what next? Most of the people explore is Bollywood, the Hindi film industry, which is more massy, which is more reaches to a more wider audience. So what are your plans to venture into the Hindi film industry?
I'd love to. I think for the past from my fourth film, I've been getting offers from Hindi to do. After I did a film called Mangata in Tamil with Ajit sir. That was his 50th film, and after that film, I got recognized by producers from Bollywood and actors as well. So from that time, I've been called there, but never got the opportunity to, nothing materialized so far. So hopefully very soon, probably after this series, I think we'll get into the Bombay industry and try to do something there.
So much and all the best for this web series, and looking forward to see you more in Bombay now. Thank you so much.
यानी कुल मिलाकर लाइव टेलीकास्ट वेब की दुनिया में एक ऐसा प्रयोग है जहां पर दक्षिण भारतीय फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का कंटेंट सबको देखने को मिलेगा। इस शो में सस्पेंस है, थ्रिलर है, ढेर सारा ड्रामा है। कैसे एक फिल्म क्रू लाइव टेलीकास्ट के दौरान फंस जाता है भूतिया घर में और फिर क्या होता है, यह है इस वेब सीरीज की कहानी। एयरकोट से कैमरामैन राजू रविंदर के साथ अमित त्यागी, आज का